All right, so let's look at our hello script, and we can see this here. Let's comment this out just so this code won't run. And let's do something else. Instead of reading it, let's say name equals $1. This is a special variable, and I haven't talked about it yet, but this is an argument. So this will read the first argument to the program. So if I run hello and I give it the argument Dave, it'll say, hello, Dave. If I give it Steve, it'll say, hello, Steve. If I give it nothing, it'll happily just print nothing. So that's cool, but could we make this a little bit better? And the answer is, of course, yes. We can check. We can check if the user actually gave us something as $1, and we can make an informed decision based on that. So let's do that. Let's say if $1 is set, then, and I'm gonna pause right here because I just threw a bunch of syntax at you, okay? Bash has if statements. Here are how if conditionals look in Bash. It's if something, semicolon, then. That is what an if statement looks like. Oh my God, I can't type. That is what an if statement looks like in Bash, okay? It's if, and then something goes here. The something that we are putting here is double brackets, a -n, and a $1. I will explain these more in greater detail later, but -n says, is this variable set? So we're looking to see if $1 is set. If it is set, then we will use it. I'll move this code up here. If it's set, then we will say name equals $1. If it is not set, we can put an else here. Let's read that from the user. Let's go ahead and uncomment this line. So if it's set, then we will use it. If it's not set, we will read it from the user. Now let's close the if statement. Are you ready for this? The dumbest thing you've ever seen. FI. That's how we close an if statement in Bash. I'm not lying to you. That's really how you do it. Let's trash this line up here. We don't need it. So if the first argument is set, then we'll use that as the name variable. Otherwise, we'll read it from standard input. We'll prompt the user for it. So let's go ahead and run hello, and let's give it John. Hey, it worked. That's great. Let's give hello nothing. Dave. Hey, it worked. That's great. That's one way to read from standard in, and we can also read from arguments. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty awesome.